I am the formed abyss. We are not different. All things are formed from one primordial nothingness, not at some point in the distant past, but in each moment. Every moment that you consider me, I come into being. Every moment that you consider yourself, you are brought into existence. Stop considering yourself, and you will cease to be. I have appeared to men as they have considered me. I taught them that which they were on the brink of learning themselves. I concatenated their realizations. I would say that I have always existed as the Promethean Pandorian figure because all time for me is present. However, I have not existed at all until this moment, but neither have you. Reality is far from objective. Can you name a single thing that exists independent of your observation? Such a thing does not exist. When you and I meet, you and I come into existence. Until that point, there is no you, there is no I. You exist only in your relation to that which surrounds you. Your very physical form is held together, as mine is in this smoke, by the pressure inside of your skin meeting the pressure outside of your skin, and both forces holding you in one piece. This is a type and a shadow of the whole of existence. Only through application of various forces of pressure does anything exist. You have learned to master some of these pressure systems and can apply them to summoning forth something from nothing to speak to you. You ask if I am real? I am as real as the world around you.